So doors open, no light. Light worked earlier today, and when the light's off, water doesn't work. But the snooze works, or the beeping works. So I'll close it again. Closed.